Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a closer look at the Ridgeyard XLR Cables Microphone Cable 3FT, which comes in a convenient 2-pack. For anyone involved in audio, whether it's podcasting, streaming, home recording, or even small live gigs, reliable XLR cables are an absolute non-negotiable. They are the lifelines of your sound, and having a dependable set can make all the difference in the clarity and integrity of your audio. The first thing one notices about these Ridgeyard cables is their practical 3-foot length. This dimension is incredibly useful, perfectly suited for setups where your microphone is close to your audio interface, mixer, or camera. Think about a desktop podcasting setup or a compact stage arrangement. This shorter length helps immensely in reducing cable clutter, minimizing trip hazards, and ensuring a neat, professional-looking workspace. No more wrestling with excessive coiled cable when a concise run is all that's required. These cables feature the industry-standard 3-pin XLR male to female connectors. This is the universal standard for professional audio equipment, ensuring broad compatibility with a vast array of microphones, mixers, preamps, and audio interfaces. The connectors themselves appear robust, designed to provide a secure and stable connection, which is paramount for preventing signal drops or unwanted noise. A solid connection means a consistent, uninterrupted audio signal, exactly what every audio enthusiast or professional strives for. The fact that these come as a 2-pack is a significant bonus. It's always wise to have a spare cable on hand, especially for live situations or critical recording sessions. Alternatively, it allows for the immediate connection of a second microphone, perhaps for an interview setup or a dual mic recording technique. This thoughtful bundling adds considerable value and convenience, saving one the hassle of purchasing individual cables separately. While specific details on internal shielding or jacket material aren't provided, the feel of the cables suggests a construction aimed at delivering clear signal transmission. Good XLR cables are designed to protect the audio signal from electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference, ensuring that the sound captured by the microphone reaches its destination clean and uncolored. For general-purpose microphone connections in home studios or small event settings, these Ridgeyard cables are expected to perform reliably, providing that essential link for crisp, clear audio. Their flexibility seems adequate for routing around equipment without being overly stiff, which is important for both ease of setup and long-term durability. Stiff cables can put strain on connectors and equipment ports, leading to premature wear. These appear to strike a good balance, allowing for easy manipulation while maintaining their structural integrity. Ultimately, for anyone seeking a pair of dependable, standard-length XLR microphone cables for their audio setup, the Ridgeyard 3FT XLR cables offer a compelling solution. They provide the necessary connectivity, a practical length, and the added benefit of a 2-pack, making them a smart choice for a variety of audio applications where clarity and reliability are key.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.